Hey there, we're back. Let's take a look at the progress I've made on the straw bale structure. Let's come in right here. A little bit windy today. Got a bunch done. We got a floor in. We still need to do the trim and essentially the AC unit, and then I can start to move in. A couple of cool things here. I put this in the wall so you can actually look in and see that it is actually made out of straw. You can see the depth right here. It's pretty echoing here. Sound, you're just gonna have to live with it. I need to do some sound deadening in here. It was really, really awesome when I had just the insulation. Now that I got the walls up, it's a little bit echoey. We're working on it, yeah, let's talk about this. So, hello, it's been forever since I've done an update, and that's mostly because what I was doing was incredibly boring. I was putting on this wall, and this wall is 3 inches thick. And there's a scratch coat, a brown coat, and a top coat, or a finish coat that has to go on. And then on top of the finish coat, you have to put 3 or 4 layers of lime plaster. This is the lime plaster. It's mostly dry. It's still damp. And it's gonna stay that way for probably months. It takes forever to dry, and it has to carbonize as well. So this is gonna harden and carbonize, and it's just gonna harden and harden and harden over the next 6 to 8 months. Some people say it takes a full year to kind of fully acclimate this type of building and get it all done. So it's gonna take a while, but we're getting there. So all we have to do is, it sounds really easy when you say it, but I need to do the trim, I need to do the AC, and then I can move in. There's still some things I need to do. I need to work on the path, I need to work on the door, I need to paint it, do all that stuff, but I'm actually gonna be able to come out here and use this as my studio, my work area, that sort of thing. So that's pretty cool. I'm very, very excited about that. Next, the reason why I haven't updated my channel in forever is because I've been doing very, very boring things. Like I said, I was doing the wall, and the wall, you do it, and then you do it again, and then you do it again, and again, and again, and again, and again. It took forever. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully, next video, or next time I do a video of this, I'll actually be moved in and it'll be moving right along. All right, see ya.